Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram DM notifications. To know how to fix Instagram DM notifications, you should just go to settings here, like this. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, and when you will see this list, you will enter here to find the application of Instagram, like this, as you see here. And then in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will go to enter here storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.